Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Cadillac Escalade oil change indicator. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the info button on your steering wheel. You'll need to press this button several times until the oil life message appears on your driver information center. This is the starting point for the reset process. Once you see the oil life message, press and hold the info button. Keep holding it down for a few seconds. You'll notice the oil life display on your dashboard screen will start to flash. This flashing indicates that the system is ready to accept the reset command. As soon as it starts flashing, you can release the info button.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your Escalade smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
To finalize the reset, press and hold the info button one more time. Continue holding it until the display changes to 100%. This confirms that your oil life monitor has been successfully reset. After this, turn your ignition off, then start your engine to ensure the message is gone and the reset is complete. It's a straightforward process. It's crucial to remember a few things. Always perform an actual oil change before you reset the oil life indicator. Resetting the light without changing the oil can lead to serious engine damage over time, as you're essentially ignoring necessary maintenance. Also, always refer to your specific Cadillac Escalade owner's manual for any model year specific instructions, as steps can vary slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.